What's up everybody? Today we're going to be doing a video on the Nymble V3 by EMP EDC. Just to let you guys know, I actually already unboxed this. I did an unboxing video and something was wrong with it and I had to delete it, so I've already seen it, but so you're not going to get the surprise reaction I originally recorded. But we're going to go ahead and unbox it again, and this time I'm going to go ahead and install the Mokuti hardware kit I got with it. So here we go. Looks like I got number 309. You get some stickers here with it, and here's the knife. And just so you know, this Mokuti kit does not come with the knife. You have to buy it separately. So here it is, a little fidgeting monster here. Reverse flick. Oop, failed that. Thumb flick. That was my fault though, not the knife. Flipper tab. Front flipper. Hard to do this under the camera. Very cool little knife. It's got pretty good action, but you know, I think it can probably be improved with better lube. So, and I want to see what's inside it anyway, and I got to take it apart to install the Mokuti. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now this Mokuti kit comes with the clip and the back spacer are Mokuti. Everything else is just satin blue hardware, which my knife already has. I ordered it with satin blue. So I don't need any of that. And the pivot's the same also. Comes with the satin blue pivot, which same pivot I've got on my knife. So all we need are those two pieces. The rest of this will be spare parts, which I will leave here in the box. And as you can see right now, you know, the back spacer is satin blue. One thing I don't like about it is that it's going to lose my serial number. I think that if you order these together, they should go ahead and engrave your serial number on your Mokuti also. That would be one thing I would request in the future. All right, I think this is all T8. Let me grab my glasses. Much easier to do this when you can actually see what you're doing. All right, I think that's the T8 there. Yep. T8 on the pivot. Pocket clip is not T8. T6. Man, I wish they would just use all T8s. I don't know why. Especially at this price point. No excuse for T6 screws to be on this thing. Alright. Well, let's take the pocket clip off first. I mean, it's basically about a $300 knife. Close to 300. So I would think they could use better hardware at that price point. Maybe that's just me, but I worry about stripping screws, but I got some spare ones. As long as you can get it out if it strips. If you can't get it out, then you got bigger problems, right? Here's your steel insert on the lock bar and your detent ball right there. Looks like we've got washers on top of, I'm thinking it's going to be on top of bearings. Yeah, so washer faces. The bearings are against the blade. All right, we can go ahead and take that guy off there. Put this one in here. Perfect fit. And we're going to go ahead and clean this up and re-lube it while we've got it apart. Only one side one side had the washer. This side. It's different. Wonder if that was put in there for centering or some other reason. Odd that only one side has a washer. Alright. Seems pretty clean already. So that's good. And these are little caged bearings. And this is the side that goes against the blade. There's actually a difference between the bearings. If you look at one side, and flip it over and look at the other side. So this is the side that would go against the blade. Actually, we'll go ahead and put that on there. Get some oil here. Came out a little quick. Go ahead and clean this pivot off too. There's a D pivot, D-shaped pivot, so it locks it in. Oh, there is a washer. It's under there. Never mind. I was wrong. Come out of there. Don't want to lose that. Alright, let's clean those up. I think this is a beautiful knife. I love the look of it. And I think, you know, it doesn't have quite the action I hoped for, but I think that action will improve over time. Most knives do. Everything gets polished down as you use it more and more. So I think the action will get better. I think what we're doing here will also help improve the action. All right. Just a little bit's all you need. Just put a little bit on here and wipe down that pivot too. Alright. Stay there. Stay. So let's just close the blade up all the way and it'll stay better. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of KPL heavy in here. Where's the stop pin track? On both sides, just a little bit. And we want a little bit on the detent hole. I'll spread a little bit of that down the detent track. Don't need much, just takes a little. I do want a little more than that though. There we go. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in that lock bar insert also, just to help for rust or anything. Alright, let's put her back together. Oh, had it. Pop back out. There it goes. Get our pivot started first. Always go backwards first and then forward. Feel any resistance at all, stop immediately and go backwards. Go forwards. And I'm not going to Loctite this. Not now anyway. After I'm comfortable the knife is where I want it to be, I'll Loctite it. And but for right now, it's so new. I may take it apart again, or who knows. I may also switch back to the blue. I haven't decided if I like this blue or this tie mask or Mokuti, whatever you call it, better. All right. Let's check our centering real quick. That's dead center. Put it here where you can see it. Dead center. No blade play at all. Let's tighten this down just a hair, because I didn't. Just a tad. Same back here. You know, honestly, this Mokuti, at least on the backspacer, not very impressive Mokuti, you know? It almost looks just like an electric anode or titanium. The pocket clip looks better, but the backspacer, I don't know. Not a big fan, honestly. Let's go ahead and get some of that KPL all rubbed in there, spread out. This is a pretty lightweight knife, and it still has a pretty good blade drop. I pre-ordered the Nymble X also, which is going to be a 3.5-inch blade. Quite a bit bigger than this one. I bet it will be guillotine action. Alright, let's put the pocket clip back on now. I'm just going to reuse these screws. Y'all tell me what y'all think. You saw it with the blue clip first. What do you like better? I'm torn. You know, the Mokuti, it's nice. At least the clip has some decent patterns on it. You know? But it's really underwhelming, I should say. Compared to the pictures on the website when I bought it. You know, maybe, I'm sure they pick out the prettiest one and take the pictures, you know, to post on the website. But this one looks very different from what's on the website. That's all I'm gonna say. When the red website has a lot more orange and yellow looking colors in it, which makes everything stand out better. You see the patterns a lot better. So you get at a certain angle, it looks pretty good. But this backspace, on the other hand, I don't know. There ain't much of anything going on with it, you know. Yeah, leave a comment down below. What do y'all like better? Which way do you think it looks better, with the Mokuti or the satin blue hardware? Maybe even just switch back to that and leave the clip. I don't know. We'll see. But we are back together. Dead centered. Back to good action, which I think will get better. The more I flip this thing, the better the action should get. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for future content and a review that will come for this knife. And there will be another unboxing in a couple of months when the 3.5 is shipped out. And I will review that one, of course, also. So, and also don't forget, at the 100 subscriber mark, I will be giving away this Kaiser Feist in denim micarta. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.